friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my review on Polène Numero Huit Mini, or to make my life easier, Polène Numero Huit Mini. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content, and let's just get right into it. If you haven't heard about Polène yet, Polène is this top-end leather brand in Paris. It was founded in 2016 and it focuses on bringing high-quality leather goods at an accessible price. That's what really made me fall in love with the brand. It just has a collection of beautiful, elegant, at the same time unique pieces that are just reasonably priced. If you haven't checked out their website yet, I really recommend you to check it out. So this is Polène Numero Huit Mini, and I got it in Fresh Almond, and it's just this very beautiful mint shade. And I would say that even though it's mint, it's more muted. It's not very muted, but it's very easy to match with a lot of things in my closet because it's not like a bright mint. This one retails for $290. It was handmade in Spain and it's made out of full grain calf leather, and the inside is suede and the color matches the exterior. This is about 7.5 inches tall, the bucket part at least, and we have this drawstring adjustment right here that you can use to tighten the bag to make it more secure. You can either wear this bag as a top handle bag or a crossbody. Unfortunately, you can't remove the crossbody strap even though it looks like it's just tied. But yeah, it stays with this bag. As far as the crossbody strap, at its longest it has 21 inches drop and shortest is at 17 inches. It has 5 holes that you can use to adjust it, and I have it in the middle currently, and it just has this gold knob that says Polène. This is Polène's version of a bucket bag, and I just really love its structure. I think it's very feminine, the folds are beautiful, and it's just very neatly made. The craftsmanship is beautiful. And look at the top. It actually reminds me of a flower. I find that it has a unique structure for a bucket bag, but at the same time, the design still looks very wearable and very classic. I've had this handbag for about 2 months now, and I definitely have some pros and cons that I'd like to share with you. My first pro is definitely the price. I would say that for the quality that you're getting, the material, the craftsmanship, like it's just so neatly sewn, and the little details about this bag, the matching interior, it's just really beautiful, and I feel that the price is very reasonable for the quality that you're getting. I have my Polène Numero Huit Mini and I've had it for about 6 months, and I can only say good things about it. The quality of the leather just really surprised me when I got it. Another pro that I have is how lightweight it is. Like carrying it right now, I feel like I'm barely carrying anything, and I wore this on a weekend getaway pretty much the whole day, and it was so comfortable to wear. I don't feel like I'm carrying a lot, like there's not a lot of weight on my shoulders, and that's really important when you go on trips, to have a bag that's comfortable to wear. And this bag actually has feet, and these just help protect the bottom leather of your bag. Another pro that I have is that it can actually fit a decent amount of items, considering that this is the mini size and considering that the structure is very unique and it has folds inside. I'll actually do what can fit inside this bag at the end part of the video, so stay tuned if you're interested in that. But for now, let's talk about the cons. My biggest con is that it's hard to organize the items inside because you're basically just shoving everything in. I haven't found an organizer for the shape of a handbag, so you know, like if you're carrying a lot of items, you might have to fish through inside the bag, and I would say that my hands are pretty average size or bit smaller, I'm not sure, but I don't think they're big. Whenever I try to look for my items, you know, it's not very hard for me. You can adjust this, but I find that my fingers are hitting the curves and the fold. That might be bothersome for a lot of people. Personally, it is not for me, but that's just something to keep in mind. Another con that I have is that because the interior is light in color, you have to be careful of what you put inside. You have to be careful of your lipstick or anything that can stain it if that's something that will bother bother you. And you know me, I love my light colored handbags. I always mention it as a con, but you do have to be mindful of what you wear when you're wearing light color handbags, just to prevent color transfer. And I think those are all of my cons. Let's move on to the last part of the video, which is basically just trying what can fit inside this bag. First, we have my phone. I'll just put it here. We'll also put sanitizer in here. A bronzer, which will pretend that this is a compact mirror, because I know that a lot of people carry that in their bags. And I also have lipstick here, but I'll actually put the lipstick in this little pouch. This one has sunglasses, so this will carry my sunglasses and my lipstick. We also have this dust bag. This just has my card holder and my passport. I have yet to renew my California ID. It's been like a year overdue, but I have to go to DMV because I changed my address since I moved here to the United States, so I have to go. I'll get it done someday. But yeah, I'm just keeping these and this dust bag so I can protect the hardware of my card holder and just to have some organization. I do wear retainers, so I'll be putting the case inside the bag as well. Lastly, we have this pouch. This is where I usually keep my vlogging camera, and I know that it will be bulkier once I have the camera in, but I don't think it will be that bulky because it's very slim. I'll just put this in here and I'll show you how it looks inside. So this is how it looks like inside. As I've mentioned, it's hard to organize what's in here. You're carrying a lot of things. This might not be the best handbag for you. There is a bigger size, but just I feel like with the folds of the bag, it might be harder to fish through your things. But again, as I've mentioned, it's not really an issue for me. But this is something to keep in mind if you're planning to get this handbag. I'm carrying it like a baby, but I guess it's my baby. Well, I've been talking too much. I think this is the end of the video. Again, if you like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!